Amerika.
Let's punta ako Amerika.
Kailan ka naging daddy?
20. Bago ako nag-States.
Bago ka nag-States.
She was pregnant nung nag-States ako.
Hindi,
Bata ako, diba?
kaya nga, 20. So, di syempre, life-changing din yun dahil gusto mo mag-artista.
Yeah.
Tapos you became a father at a young age.
But I had to go to the States for my papers.
Oh.
Because my mom petitioned us. So, alam mo yun, wala ka talagang center. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. And then, bumalik ako ng 98, yun na. Nasabi ko talaga, I told my mom, Mom, I want to do this for myself because I don't want to look back 10, 20 years from now and say, sayang di ko ginawa. I tried to, audition, BTR, di ba, yung mga commercials dati, di ba? I never broke out, obviously. And then at 21, kainang, sa sandaling kailangan mo ako. The audition, I started from scratch again. And then,
Ito ba yung kwento ni Inang na kontrabida ka?
yeah,
Ni Marvin?
Marvin, yeah. Tapos yun,
Christine.
Christina Hermosa, G to G.
So, yun ang first.
Yun ang first, yun yung break ko.
Big
And then,
break.